What up, everybody? Welcome back to Recipejoes, and today we have a very special video from our friends at Sweese. They sent me a package, and I am going to open this with you and show you what's inside. So here we go. All right, so let's see. Okay, pull this out. Check that out, guys. It is a tea mug, but the cool thing about it is, here's the top, that you can brew your tea inside your cup. So there's the sieve, super fine sieve that you put your loose tea inside of here, and then you can brew it in the cup, add your sugar, whatever you want to do, and you're good to go. Your own personal tea mug. It's cool stuff, isn't it? We're going to try it out. We're going to show you how we're going to put this thing together. We even got some local tea that we're going to be using. So what we're doing here is just making a simple syrup, which is just sugar and water. It's 1-to-1 ratio, so if you do 1 cup of water, do 1 cup of sugar. I wanted it a little bit sweeter, so I did 1.5 cups to 1 cup of water. And you just want to cook it down for about 10 minutes or so and move it to a safe container, and you can use that to sweeten up your tea. You want to be careful when you move your simple syrup to your safe container. It is super hot, so definitely be careful. Okay, so what I'm doing here is getting our water ready to boil. Don't really have time to do it on the stove, so we're just going to do it in the microwave real quick. Just make sure it's a microwavable safe container. And then I'm going to get our really delicious smelling tea from Piper and Leaf, and we're going to dip out 3 teaspoons of tea, and we're going to just pour over our hot water on top of it and let it seep for about 5 minutes, and we should be good to go. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We're done seeping, good to go. The cup top works well to plop that down on top, and our tea is done. We're going to throw a little bit of our simple syrup in there to sweeten the deal, and we are done. No fuss, no muss. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to drink my strawberry shindig, compliments of Piper and Leaf, out of my Sweese cup, brewed just for me. I guess I'll share a little bit. Also showed you how to do a simple syrup to sweeten up your tea, coffee, or anything like that. Pretty simple, doesn't take a whole lot. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm about to drink my tea, and I'll catch you on the next video.